Yo guys, welcome back to the video. Today we have a Dodge Ram that we're doing a full interior detail. Well, it's actually what I would consider a base interior detail. So it's basically just a full vacuum, thorough vacuum. Wipe down everything pretty thoroughly, trying to get as much stainage and crap out as we can. This job does not include shampooing or steaming or anything like that. It's just going bonkers with the basics pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna film that. Yeah, so we're gonna show you guys that. Hope you guys enjoy, and it'll mostly be time lapse because I want this to be done quick. So I'm not gonna sit here and film a bunch of cool stuff. I'll film some showing you guys the before, and then I'll show you guys a bunch of stuff while I'm doing it, which will be probably mostly time lapse, like I say. And then we will do a after. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that thumbs up for me. Appreciate it.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button for me, please. Also subscribe for more future content. See you guys in the next one.